In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shortcut right align in Google Vids. First, open Google Vids and sign into your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once you're in, open the project you want to edit. This can be any video scene where you already have text added or where you plan to adjust the formatting of an existing text element. It helps to have the correct project open before using shortcuts so you can immediately see the changes. Next, click on the text box or text element that you want to align. This part is important because keyboard shortcuts only work on the item that is currently selected. If nothing is selected, the shortcut may not do anything at all, so take a second to confirm that the text box is active. If needed, go one step further and highlight the exact text you want to format. To do that, double-click inside the text box and drag over the specific words or lines. If your goal is to align all the text in that box, you usually do not need to highlight individual words. In that case, simply keep the entire text box selected. Now use the right align shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and R at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. As soon as you do that, the selected text should shift to the right side. This is the fastest way to apply right alignment without digging through menus. After using the shortcut, check the text box to make sure the alignment changed correctly. Look closely at the text placement and confirm that it now sits against the right side as intended. If you're working with multiple text elements, you can repeat the same shortcut on each one. If the keyboard shortcut doesn't work, you can use the toolbar instead. Go to the text alignment option in the toolbar, click it, and then choose Right Align from the alignment menu. This gives you a reliable backup method and can also help you confirm that the formatting option is available for the selected text. Once that's done, preview your changes by reviewing the slide or scene. Make sure the text looks clean and appears where you want it. If needed, adjust spacing or positioning so the layout feels balanced. Finally, save your project. Google Vids usually saves changes automatically, but it's still a good idea to confirm that the text remains right aligned before you exit, and that's it. You've successfully right aligned text in Google Vids using the shortcut.